welcome back to my channel King Daddy 231. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you put a ceiling fan remote control on your ceiling. Very easy and very simple. This is the ceiling fan that I bought. I bought it on Amazon.com. I'm gonna leave the link in my description. If you like it, you could buy it. This is the Fine 52 inch. This is the box, and I'm gonna show you everything that comes inside. This is all you get. You get your installation guide. You get your part. This is to cover the light. You're gonna get your screws and your nuts. This is the head of the ceiling fan. You got your cables and everything here. This is the bracket to connect it in the ceiling. This is for your I don't know how you call this, but this goes here. And this is your pole. This is to cover all the cables. This is for the pole and brackets to hold your ceiling fan. And finally, you will get your box with the remote control and the controller for the fan, your battery, and your screw. That's all you get when you buy this product. The first thing that you gotta do, you gotta kill the light. Go downstairs, turn off the breaker, turn off the light switch, and make sure there's no light at all in here. And then when you do all that, then you can start putting the light. Now that you got your light off and the breaker is off and the switch is off, now you're ready to take this apart. The first thing you're gonna do, you gotta take this nut right here. It's got two of them, so you gotta take the first one first. Oh, this one don't got a second one. I forgot to put it, so it's only got one. So we put this away. Take the light bulb out. You don't want to break it. Put this away. Now you got two screws right here, one here and one here. Take it off. Once you got that off, you got all your cables here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut them because I don't want to mess this up right here. So I'll be back. I gotta get my cutter. All right, I got my cutter. So we're gonna cut these three cables. Got this out. Now the next thing is to put the bracket. So you gotta make sure this is tight. I don't trust this. You can put it either the bracket here or either in the two wood. So let's see. We're gonna take this out. Now that you got your bracket, make sure all the cables are out. So you're only gonna need this three cables, your black cable, white cable, your ground. If you want to connect your ground here, you can connect it. It don't matter, but we're gonna connect it. So now we're gonna assemble the ceiling fan and then we're gonna connect it here. You're gonna assemble your fan. You're gonna put your cables through the pole. Make sure all the cables are out. So now you're gonna connect. You gotta lose the screws. There's two of them. One right here and the other one right here. Still okay. Gotta almost all the way out. So now you got it there. So now I'm gonna put the stick to holder. So now put your stick, then you put the holder at the end. This is a little bit hard. Put it all the way in. Pull it right there. Now you can tie the screws as hard as you can. Right there. There is good. Now you put the cover. Now you got all your cables out. Now we're ready to pull the wings. I don't know if you call it like that, but I'm gonna call it wings. This is how you're gonna put it. You're gonna use this handle, connect the hose, then the screws. And this is how you're gonna put it. And then this on top. Then you got the screws right here. gonna use this little one. Make sure you put the washer. So now do it like that. Align it. Don't tie all the way, so you could put all three. Then you tie it up. That's how you put your wings. You will do the same process for all three. And when I'm getting done, we're gonna continue. Good. Now that you got all your wings ready, you're gonna unscrew this right here. Now you're gonna align it and then pull the screws back. When you align it, then you tie it up. So you go to the next one, you do the same thing, you unscrew and then you go all the way around until you put all of them together. You're gonna put your LED lights, you're gonna open it with this, you're gonna turn it around, it's open. Now you're gonna take this 4 screw out. Now you're gonna connect it like this. Push it all the way in. You gotta connect it now. Align the holes. now you tie all of them. And now you pull the cover, but I gotta take it out from here. Now we're gonna pull the remote control. Comes with 3 cables from one side, 2 cables on the other side. These 3 cables, you're gonna connect the same colors, blue with blue, black with black, and white with white. And then these 3, you're gonna connect it in the ceiling. So you're gonna pull white with white. Blue with blue. And finally, black with black. So now you're ready to install in your ceiling. So now we're ready to connect the white with the white, ground, and black with the black. Okay, now you got everything connected. Now I just need to hide the cables and we're done. I got everything ready. All the cables is hiding. As you see, I had to break my wall because my ceiling is not that good. So for me to order to put the the bracket, I had to destroy a little bit of the wall, but I'm gonna cover that with compound, but everything is connected and ready. Now you gotta go downstairs and turn on your breaker. I already did it. So turn on your switch. Well, it's good. Now let's try low. As you can see, it's working. Let's try medium. And let's try high. As you see, all the low, medium, high, they are working correctly. And that's how you put your ceiling fan remote control on your ceiling. I just got it covered and we are done. Thank you for watching my video. I hope my video helped you how to install a ceiling remote control fan. This applies to any ceiling remote control. It don't matter what brand it is. It's the same thing for any ceiling fan. If you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to share it, comment, let me know what you think about my video, and stay tuned for more videos. And I'm going to enjoy my ceiling fan remote control on my office. And that's how easy it is to install your ceiling fan. Thank you for watching.